Hey, Weather Weenies. So I just wrapped up a morning show in Australia. It is Sunday, August 4th in the evening. Let's talk about what's going on with Debbie and why I'm concerned about the entire eastern seaboard. Yes, this includes New England. So here's Hurricane Debbie's forecast track. We can see it's currently just sitting off the Gulf Coast. It's most likely going to be making landfall as a hurricane here. We can see that very early in the afternoon, probably on Monday. But what I'm concerned about is with how long this hangs around. Look how far this storm does not travel from Tuesday until Friday. That's a problem because as this thing spins just barely off the coast, counterclockwise on the northern side of the center of that circulation, it is just going to be funneling moisture from the Atlantic Ocean onto land. It comes up over land, it reaches higher elevations as well, and this is going to cause a tremendous amount of rain. Tremendous. Here's the scale. So that bright red is 12 to 16 inches. That dark red is 16 to 20 inches. And I'll tell you right now, there's going to be higher amounts in localized areas. Obviously, I'm concerned from Savannah to Charleston, but for those of you that live inland, this isn't a new thing for you, and you know it doesn't take much to have major problems up there. Because what's going to happen is even though up here where these yellows and greens are, we're only talking maybe 4 or 6 inches of rain, you guys know the terrain better than I do. This is where the mountains are, and this is going to be flowing down to these areas as well. We are talking days of possibly flood potential. My weather weenies know I do not sensationalize everything. I do not let people panic. We're not going to panic about this, but you need to be prepared and know just how much water is coming to this area. This is not going to be good. They already have high risks in place for Monday and Tuesday for this rainfall. Now, why am I concerned about New England? Because we are entering a period of unsettled weather and we're going to have a fair amount of rain that comes over several days. Then at the end of that, we're going to have the moisture from Debbie come through. Look at this entire swath, and I'm going to show you the scale, is right here. So see this beige color that's 7 to 10 inches? That beige color is everywhere down here, but also prevalent just off of the New England coast and New Jersey coast up here. Anywhere that's in the purples is 2 inches or greater. The reds is 3 to 4 inches. This is a lot of rain in a week. Now, when Debbie reaches New England, it's not going to be a hurricane anymore. So we don't have to worry about those types of things. But we do have to be concerned about the amount of precipitation that we're going to be getting here. And there could also be some like localized strong winds with it. Not hurricane force, which is 74 miles an hour or greater. We're not talking that. But there probably are going to be some strong winds associated. We are looking a week out because when the remnants of Debbie are going to be coming through is next weekend. And it's not a locked in thing. There are some forecast models that show the remnants of Debbie hanging out even longer than this, have it exiting more like the mid-Atlantic. So it's a very volatile situation. So for the southeastern United States, you have been put on warning. For New England, stand by for more information. But as of right now, I'm not loving what I see.